Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a customizable contact form to your Shopify store. So first of all, you want to install the application, which would basically let you create that contact form. So first of all, you want to write down Shopify and go to your Shopify app store, where you will find the applications which Shopify has. And you want to install this Shopify Forms application to your Shopify. So we're just going to install it like so. And now you can actually create here a form which you, again, can add to your online store after that. So let's click Create a Store. So now we want to choose a form type. So it's either a pop-up or inline. So we can choose inline. And let's write down this, for example, or maybe contact form. Now, you're gonna write down the title. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. So you can write down the sign up, which fits really great for me. Complete the form to sign up. First name and email. Yeah, I think this is, and also you can choose if it's required or not. As you can see, you can add last name, phone, or birthday, or some new field like whatever you choose. Now, the button label would be submit. By signing up, you also want to write down this option. And now we can actually show a message or redirect to some other page. So when basically a person will sign up and click submit, they're gonna see this page, which will write down success. Thank you, the form has been submitted. Now the styling, you can choose the font here. So for example, let's choose this option. Now you can also add some tags. We don't need that. Now, when you save the form, for some reason it doesn't let me to save the form. One change needs to be, oh, I didn't make any changes. Complete this form to sign up, and let's save it. Now, when the form was saved, you can actually create a landing page with it. So let's click Create a Landing Page. This is the title, and this is the page. Let's gonna save it. It will go to the pages. So you can open the theme editor now, or you can click Done and go ahead to your online store right there, and basically click Customize. You will also find it on the pages right here, as you can see. So this is how it looks like. Of course, this one needs to be edited, but basically this is the form. You can edit it however you like, and yeah. But basically, yeah, guys, that's how it works. You will find it here now, and that's how you create a sign-up form. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.